Hi guys, Ramzan here. Here in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can integrate PayPal smart buttons into your product page of the Shopify store. This video is specific for taste theme. If you have any other theme, then you should go to shopwebsitecodes.com. There I have already published a lot of codes with different themes. For this theme, you should download the code first. I have already added the link below in the description. Once you are clicking that link, you will be downloading a zip file. So after that, you should extract that zip file and you will be having these 4 files. Open documentation.txt. And inside of it I have already added all the steps which we are going to follow in this video. The first step is go to Shopify dashboard, click on themes, click on edit code, click on snippets. So here is the dashboard of the Shopify store. You can see I have installed taste theme. Click on these 3 dots, click on duplicate. You should duplicate the theme because if you have any problem later on you can restore it back to its original version. Then you should click on edit code. Here we have some folders. We have to click on snippets. The next step is create a new snippet, PayPal smart buttons. Copy this name and click on add a new snippet, paste the name here and click on done. This will create an empty file here. We have to paste the attached code into this new snippet file. So actually I have attached the code, which is this code you should copy and then paste inside of this empty file. The next step is that add below event in quantity input, find quantity underscore input. Actually this is the class name which we are going to find inside of sections. Scroll it down. We have man-product.liquid somewhere. This one, use Control F or maybe Command F to find this input element, and this is highlighted now, and we are going to copy this line of code and paste it inside of this input element and then click on save. Once the changes are saved, then you should move ahead with the 4th step, which is add your live client ID of PayPal in line number 8. So actually we have PayPal-smart-buttons.liquid, and here in line number 8 you can see I have added PayPal live client ID, which is this one. This client ID is from the sandbox account of the PayPal, which is for the testing purpose only, but you have to use the actual live client ID of your PayPal. I have already given the video link in the description. You need to watch that video to find PayPal live client ID and then copy and paste it here. Make sure to keep this client ID inside of double quotes, and then you can if you want, you can change the currency also. Right now I have added US dollars. If you have euros, you can put it EUR. If you have any other currency, you can also update it here. The next step is inspect quantity selector element and get ID and paste it in line number 9. So actually in line number 9 you can see here I have added quantity ID. So I need to find the quantity ID from product page. Firstly, I am here on the home page. Click on catalog, click on this product, and here you can see quantity input right here. Right click on this quantity input and click on inspect, and here you will see the input element. Alright, if you don't see this highlighted input element, then click on this inspector, click on this input box, and this input element will be highlighted here. You need to copy this ID. Can you see ID equals to double quote? So here you should double click and copy this ID and paste it right here. You need to remove this and paste the new ID and then click on save. Once the changes are saved, then you should go to assets, open global.js and find below line of code. So this line of code we are going to find inside of global.js. So you should scroll it down, click on assets, scroll a little bit more down and click on global.js. Using Control F or maybe Command F, just find this function. So here you can see that this is highlighted already, and this is opening curly brace and closing curly brace. I have to paste this line of code just above the closing curly brace. So actually I am going to paste right here and then click on save. And the next step is, which is the final one, go to customize product and create a custom HTML section and paste below code. So actually we have to go to the dashboard of the store again, click on customize, click on this drop down, click on products. Here we have default product. On the left side you can see product information. Click on add block, click on custom liquid, and on the right side you can see this is input box where we have to paste this new line of code, which is this one. Copy it and paste it right here, and then you should also drag this custom liquid just below buy button and then click on save. Once the changes are saved, then you can see that PayPal buttons are appearing. So that means this is implemented correctly. Alright, so sometimes you are not interested to keep buy it now button. So how you can hide it? Click on buy buttons, uncheck this and click on save. So right now you may think like the PayPal buttons are having big size. So I will update the code and definitely you will have the same size with add to cart button. Like PayPal button, debit or credit card button will have also the same size like add to cart button. So let's test these buttons on the front end. So here I am going to refresh the page again. You can see that PayPal buttons are appearing. So the important thing to cross check is price, color, the price, title, color variant and quantity. So So these details are passing into PayPal buttons correctly or not. So let's test it. Click on PayPal button. You should log into your PayPal account. Actually, I have Sandbox account of the PayPal. I'm going to log into that for testing purpose only. Here you should click on this price and you can see that one new t-shirt black, $20 US. So that means this is correct. If I'm increasing the quantity, let's see if it is updating or not. Click on this price. You can see that two new t-shirt black, $40 US. So price as well as quantity is updating. Another thing is like, for example, I am interested to change the color variant and then let's see if it is updated or not. Click on this price. You can see that red color. So that means this is updating correctly. So one important point is that in most of the cases our customers don't have PayPal accounts. So they are interested to pay by PayPal. So they are interested to pay using debit or credit card. So they need to click on this button and it will be showing us a form where the customers can enter their card details, billing address and shipping address, and then they can click on pay now button to purchase the product. Alright, so that's how we have removed the barrier of PayPal. So one more thing is like sometime you are not interested to keep this yellow button here. So how you can hide it? So I have already attached the code. You should copy this complete code and paste it right here. You should remove this code and paste it here. And here you should update a live client ID as well as quantity ID. Live client ID I already have the Sandbox ID, which is the same one. Quantity ID I am going to update using right clicking on inspect, and here is the ID I am going to copy and going to paste it right here and then click on save. So let's refresh this page again. Now the yellow button disappeared. Only debit or credit card button is available. So that's how you can actually hide the yellow button. Right now I am interested to keep both these, so I can undo the changes and then click on save, and let me refresh this page again. Now you can see that PayPal button is appearing. If you will see the mobile view, this will look like this. So you can see this, how beautiful this is looking. Alright, so that's how you can integrate PayPal smart buttons into your Shopify store on the product page specifically, because in most of the cases people were not able to integrate on product page. So I struggled a lot and finally I found the solution. So you can actually integrate it on product page as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new on this channel, then please like this video, also subscribe this channel. Thank you once again. See you in the next video.